follow.
10 seconds. Energy shaper.
Okay. Stabilize at bridge. Stabilize lang sa bridge. Okay, loop northwest ha. We go deep northwest ha. We go deep. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2. Up your boots. Straight west now.
Looking ano.
West. 3, 2, 1. On west now. Go trap now. On west.
Nice one.
Okay, night. Kite going south. Kite going south. Kite going south. South. Defensive lang sa front. Sustain lang. Sustain. Okay. 11 seconds.
Kill the front.
11 seconds.
Fine.
Kiss and W's lang palagi. Kiss and W's. Okay, now. Deep north.
Looking.
Deep north. Follow. 3, 2, follow now. 3, 2, 1. On north side. North.
Drop.
Nice. Disregard lang yung nasa bandang mid. Nice. Okay, stabilize. Full heal tapos. Full heal din sustain.
Pahin ATM.
Okay, defensive. Do defensive. Looking sila sa west, looking yan. Looking, stabilize lang. Nice, kissing the blues. Let's do kissing the blues.
Pahin.
Bomba. Hold. 5 seconds. Now, push a little bit. Now, hug the wall west. Hug the whole west. Ready? Pop your boots.
Pahin. Sinong ano dyan?
2, 1, up. Northwest.
Una pahin.
Okay.
Bakit gago na ka? Walang bada.
Stabilize.
10 second boss. 10 seconds.
Ito nakahuli oh.
Sige lang.
Nice one sila.
Kissing the blues is straight random. West.
Running southwest.
Ako lang.
Southwest sila. Southwest side.
Sige.
Patay nito.
Kissing the blues lang. Regroup tayo south. Regroup south lang. Okay. Two blob na. Nag-separate na sila. Straight south. Southwest. Okay, nasa north side sila. Nasa north side ah. Follow straight west. Straight west.
Mount up na. Grabe.
Ayun yun ah.
Wala. Malakbo daw.
Nasa east. Coming from east.
Coming daw east ah. Stabilize lang. Okay na push. Push east. Push. Okay, dirt south. Dirt south sila. South. Continuous. Kailan sustain that?
Bakit ba?
Continuous lang south. Okay.
WS dito. Nasa inside natin.
Yung mga natira. Yan ang natira. I-run nyo lang. Just keep brawling lang. Sarpan nyo nga yun. South? Okay. Wait. Ready. Counter now. On west. North. Kayo na lang.
Naka-cleric.
Sige na.
Ano, dalawa cleric ka.
No.
Merge slab. I think we need to push next month.
Ito pala oh. Magkagano pa tayo sa pinto.
Patay ako niya. Nice, okay.
Yan, may sa northeast.
Fight doon, no?
Oo nga.
Tara.
May nag-respond doon.
Mantap.
OP1 ang respawn nila. OP1 ba? Fight.
Makapilot.
Naubos na ata.
Wait natin yan, ano? Mag-grey grove. Para masarap yung ano.
Meron pa. Ay, putang ina. Pagdating ko, sakto na wipe.
No, ubos na. Play lang.
Kumusta Fort Sterling?
Nandun ka na ba, Jepo, sa ano, GM Alliance?
Wala pa boss, isang ano lang daw, isang officer lang daw. Sabi ni Mindy ko.
Ay, isang officer.
Amot naman nila.
Uy, Warner, saan ka Warner?
Sabi ng Chinese dito kila Code Adam, ano, they said most of your guys got knocked down and got kicked. If this happen normally, enemy will know where can make money and come. Donating lang yung damit. Ewan ko ba kung bakit naging ano yung damit na yun. Bakit naging ganyan sila. Tara, pala, back. Northwest tayo, ano yung nablab nila, Northwest?
Cute.
Ping. Here. Baka little bit.
Ito niya eh.
Ang ganda ng gold page ups, oh.
Trying
Stabilize.
trying for cancel.
Press and double yan. Yun yung mga pupanok sa labo. Press and double.
Meron. Coming southwest.
Dito na sila.
Continuous push. Straight tayo sa bridge.
Puta na, wipe ulit.
Bridge. Straight tayo ang bridge. Straight ang bridge side. Okay. Nag-push na sila sa bridge.
Nagbabak yung kalaban, southwest.
Nawala yung
Kiting southwest.
Ano ba yung bridge yun?
Ay, ang dami, ah. Madami.
Sige. South lang. May defense.
Ah, looking.
South. We do counter. Wait, we do counter hard west Papir boots, hard west. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
No, drop. Ay, puta na yun. Bakit na lang 80 sila?
Oo, hold ng content. Continuous pushing. Continuous lang.
Uy, anong map kayo?
Willow.
Willow.
Continuous pushing lang. Continuous pushing. Continuous lang. Continuous. Sige lang. Okay, follow. Push again. Push. Push lang. Push. Wala nang damage yan. Okay, straight. Papir boots. Straight south. Continuous. Kailangan mapagitnaan nyo. Continuous south lang. Continuous south. Oh, they on front. Masyado malalim. Okay. Wala na, run over na. Sige na, yung kanya. Huliin nyo na. Straight lang ng south,
Ano ko sa punto? Ang lala ng kite nila, wala. Hindi na kite, takbo na eh.
Oo. Hindi sila maka-counter ng maayos.
Ipong siya. Bug.
Uy, ito.
Yung lahat yan, hintayin natin mag-respond na.
Update rate.
Baka.
Sorry guys. So are we going in a red zone or we are only doing this in yellow zone?
We do yellow zone, bro.
Yellow zone. Okay, I will come with good gears.
Right, close.
How are you?
Alright.
Magre-respond din yun. Bawi niya.
Wala, takbo. Takbo sa loob na! Let me live. Let me live, please. Thank you. Thank you. Si Linhart yata to.
May nerbot ng puta.
Ano yan?
Patayin na natin itong ano. Patayin natin yung boss. Yung iba, habol lang pala. Puro ano na to.
No mana.
Bawal yan.
Wow. Ay, patay di ka.
Kami na bridge horse na.
Three hearts, three greases. Just step with reverse. Good guys.
Your headquarter avalanche is now vulnerable to Hunting naman mamaya.
Let's go. Tagos na tayo. Tagos na tayo sa west. Yan natin mag-push yung ano.
Our back. May ano, bubble?
Wala nang kalaban dito. Wala nang bridge horse. Ilan na lang sila.
Ano, one last stand tayo sa ano? Lazy grass? Parang mag one last stand tong ano. Mga random blues.
Spindle na eh.
Papunta tong lazy grass. Ay, hindi. Capping pala. Okay.
Kapin pa sila. Kinakapan nila yung Willowwood. Tayo naman. Pwede na ba? Di ba ata natin pwede makapyan?
Pwede naman. May ano, connection tayo sa northeast, northwest pala. Bam. Saan ka? Pardon. Robin Hood guy. Bam, 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 bam. Ay, knockback. Ano yung knockback na yun? Ano? B4? Data?
Oo, sige tara. Sabi pa.
OP2 na sana yung ano, other blues.
Hindi, gagawin natin pag humabol sila rito. Pag half-health, iwan natin sila. Wala tayo ng OP2.
Okay, na-OP2 yung ano, random blues.
Nice. Oh, paskop.
Drop Judy in middle. Para ma-heal. Kung tayo Judy guys, if you need it, yeah, they're down to at least may OP fine.
Okay. Mantap na.
Walang random ng stay.
Tuwan.
OP1 sila, OP3 tayo.
Drop it 1 sila. Sige, drop it.
Di ko alam, parang OP3 yung direction nila. Not sure pa.
Itong
Or hindi pa.
itong chest ng faction, itong apat na chest na to nagre-reset
Hindi, monthly yan.
monthly. 7 days na lang. Dati ng
Yung yung monthly ano yan? Parang season conquers challenge pero monthly lang yan.
yung
Every month.
yung campaign reward.
OP3 guys, OP3. Wait lang daw saan yung papunta tong random blues. Ay hindi pa tapos yung ano nila. OP1. OP2. Wawa sila. Up na lang. Let's go OP3. Let's go OP3. I think we can handle it now. May red. Depo, catch mo. Okay. Diana, catch mo. Yan, may catch. Yan, dismounted. Bro, wag na. Don't chase. May comms lang to si Diana. Eh. Hindi na yung proper build. Random na to.
+1.
Sarap na Holy Healer. 8.4. Ganito. Yan, nandito na si Tadashi. Open mic ka nga, Dada.
Mantap. Oh,
Uy, nandun na Limhurst. Sabi ko na nga, yung proper guild. Na talaga. Last stand.
Ba't umandar pa rin?
Loading speed.
ito.
Change skills. Wow. Sarap ng attunement ng Infernal Sight. Ilan strain? 420 strain. Wow. Okay. On the way.
Ayan, namatay ako.
Kalaban.
May
Ay,
kalaban,
kalaban,
boss.
Namatay ako. Kinuha lang eh.
Oo. Tingala ko, bakit walang call. Kala ko muted ako. Or disconnect sa Discord. Dead.
Sige na. Tayo regroup. Come. Still kiting. Inroads, exit. You see Judy there. You see Judy then heal. Don't stabilize. Stabilize. You see stabilize lang. Stabilize. Oh shit, namatay sila Pyrox. 7 die. Continue skate east. We can counter, no? No, we don't. Back na. Tagos na. Kabilang map. Okay. Ano tayo ng kailangan natin mag-regroup. Okay, regroup. Regroup tayo. We go up. No, wait, we check. Tayo kung may ano. Malibang south post.
Ito, maganda itong poncho.
Okay dito. Okay.
Hindi nag-zone yung ano? Bridge watch. Ay, nag-zone na. Kaka-zone lang. Ay, mga ano? Mga randoms. Ay. Chill your horses. Ay. Mga 6 or 7 lang ng zone. Hindi yung full blob. Check ko lang sa kabila. Oh, waiting yung ano, full zerg dito sa plane. Wait lang. Nag-zone.
Nag-zone yung...
Nandito in the relation, no?
Dito na.
Okay, di here. Okay.
Smart.
Back. East. Continuous east lang. Okay, sa likod tayo ng bato. Okay, mount down here. Okay na. After yung mount down, we go south. Then west. Okay, now look north Look north now. 3, 2, 1, on north now. Drop all on north. Nice, okay. Now, kahit again, dun sa likod ng bato. Sa likod ng bato. East a little bit. Find Judy then sustain na. Sustain at Judy. 8 seconds to counter. Continuous kahit lang. Defensive hold ng front.
10 seconds.
Defensive. Inside. Kahit na sa loob. Kahit na. Continuous kahit lang. 5
Ready,
seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. After na ganyan siya. 3. Up your boots. Straight west. 3, 2, 1. On front. Drop on front. Nice, okay. Patayin niya yan. Delete niya.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, stabilize lang dito. 13 seconds. Follow. Stabilize. Spread lang. 5 seconds. Okay, they're looking at it. Spread. Follow inside. Go inside. Pop your boots. Straight north now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On north. Big clamp. Drop on north.
Alright.
Defensive.
Nice one.
Defensive. Judy at the middle. Sustain. Continue sustain lang. 4 seconds. Continuous sustain. Look at north again.
5. Ready.
At west side. They're at west. Okay, stabilize lang. Okay, they positioning up north. Nasa northwest sila. Okay, stabilize lang. Okay. Out now, out west. Out now, out west. Out at west, out at west, out at west. Okay, north pop your boots, north now. 3, 2, 1, on north. Trap on north. Okay, nice. Okay, beware of east side. Beware east side, continuous at south.
Ready
Continuous
for
lang
bump,
south.
ready for bump. Ready for bump.
Okay, stabilize lang. Sustain
No
here,
matter.
sustain. Defensive. 3 seconds. Beware at west.
5,
Yes,
5,
meron
5, 5. Up. 5. Ready.
Follow northwest. Bro, just keep rolling lang. Stabilize. Pop your boots. Northwest. 3, 2, 1. Northwest now.
Bomb inside.
Tagos na west. Tagos sa west. Tagos at west side. Didn't heal. Tagos lang at west side. Nice. Stabilize.
Ready your finger on pots. Baka may...
Follow west. Follow west. Merong blob sa likod Kissing W's, patayin yan. Britzy, kissing W's now. Nice, kissing W's. Spread a little bit. Spread. Follow. Look at the round. Deep north. Upper boots. 3, 2, 1. Left side. Nice, okay. Kissing W's. Bam. Huwag kayo magtitikit Southwest. Choke kayo nasa choke kayo. Okay, beware southwest beware southwest. Southwest. You do deep deep now. At south, up the hill, 2, 1, on me. Wala na tayong catch up.
Right, Larry.
Wala na akong mana. Yan. Hold lang tayo ng roads. Tapos hintayin natin magpamana yung mga
Oy, saan pumunta to? Ito, ano na yan?
Mana yung
Love yung nasa northeast.
Sa Willowwood nila nag-respawn.
Willowwood? Ade?
north.
Layo lang respawn nila, Willowwood. Okay, ito. Let me touch.
East. Small blob at east.
Alaka, catcher.
Push. We go push east.
Dismounted na northeast
Push east, okay. Makalaki pa. Follow. South. Wait. Ito na yung natin makakasama. South. Regroup at south. Okay, now we follow east side. Follow the farm. Engage now. Pop your boost. Straight east. 3, 2, 1. East side. Tapol na. Okay na lang ito.
Medyo low din tayo, boss. Medyo low tayo.
Nasaan na kayo? Sa rito. Advance na.
Nasa west kami, nasa west.
Advance.
Ah, yan. Nabam.
Advance dito. Follow. East side.
Ano, nagpatay dito.
Continuous follow. East side. Okay, continuous follow lang.
Ba't doon?
Yeah. Disregard. Bypass nyo lang. A little bit spread. A little bit spread. A little bit spread. Look isa. Is now. Pop your boots. Is 3, 2, 1. On his side. Trapal na.
Na headbutt. Kayo lang nandyan ha, main party kayo dyan. Yung randoms nasa southwest pa.
Continuous defense lang. Continuous damage lang. Continuous damage lang. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Okay, just hold lang. Hold lang ngayon. Circle lang ko. Hold lang. DPS ha. We do DPS ha. We do DPS again. Okay. So DPS now. Paper boots. DPS. Ready. Continuous na block. Question W lang. Question W. No. Cancel. Yung deft talk lang. Focus lang on deft talk. Focus on deft talk. Deft talk sa front. Nice. Okay. Push. You push northeast. Ha.
Oo, bam. Badon bam.
Question W sa deft talk. Nice. Continuous.
Northeast guys, northeast. Far northeast.
Ay, sila.
Nasa south boss, nasa south.
South na yung kalaban? South daw, oh. Back tayo. Back.
West.
Ping.
West.
South. Continue south. South. Regroup at south. I'll go south. Okay. Follow northwest. Northwest. We go north now.
Binabrol yung tail natin.
3, 2, 1. On south na.
Yes, go.
Back. Northeast. Northeast. You didn't heal north. You didn't heal north. Okay, stabilize. Spread. Regroup tayo. We regroup. Spread. Going south. South. We meet at south. Ping. Streets are roads. Roads lang. Roads. Going south. South.
Use the W's guys! Let's kill!
Follow. On bridge. Follow on bridge. Follow on bridge. On bridge. We meet at bridge. We meet at bridge. This is obvious lang. Kissing doubles. On bridge. Disregard. Tagos. Kailangan nyo nang tumagos this time. Tagos na. Okay daw, hold here. Hold. We were lang sa backline ha. Kissing doubles. Okay. Look at the middle of the bridge. We go deep at the middle of the bridge. We go deep a little. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Pop your boats. Straight west. 3, 2, 1. No. This one. Masyado nakapinog ko. Okay, back tayo konti. Okay, nice. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling lang sa likod. Defensive. Hold ako ng another ng line ng bridge ha. Hold ng line ng bridge. Oh shit, ayun dahil.
Southeast! Run! Walang kaala! Save for your life!
Nasa si Barbie Joe, si Diana. Focus ka nga sa harapan. Yung mga sa likod na hindi sumusunod, ayaw mo silang mamatay.
Tadashi, nasa kami, Spindlewood.
Kabilang bridge, ikot na, ikot tayo, ikot.
Hindi namin ng tank Tadashi. Left tank.
Kabilang side ng bridge, kabilang ng side. Regroup tayo doon, regroup. Here. Come. Kabilang side ng bridge, kabilang side ng bridge. Okay. Once we regroup here, man down. Spread a little bit. Defensive ang front, defensive lang ang front, defensive ang front. Just defensive lang. Use yung W's. On front, 2, 1, on me. Drop all na. Drop on front. Nice, good job. Okay, nice. Defensive. Spread. Huwag kayo bumabad sa harapan. Huwag bumabad. Ikot. Keep kiting. South. Do up the hill. Up the hill. South. Up the hill. Up the hill. Stabilize. Defensive lang on front. Just do defensive on front. Kiss in W's here. We do counter, Counter now. Ready. Paper boots. Straight. 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop all now.
Suicide clamp po. Ubus.
Jump over. Cut. We do cut inside. Oh shit. Die again.
Matay din ako.
Sige, we regroup again. Kailangan natin magsama-sama na lahat. Walang tigaan, no? Wala may
Wala yung stick with the collar, guys.
Sarap na.
Naklamp ko sa baba eh.
Saan respawn nyo?
Gago.
Napik tayo ba?
Ayan! Nandiyan dyan! Ayan naman!
Ikot tayo sa kabila. Ikot tayo doon.
Ikot na.
Tapos sa kabilang bridge. We do bridge fight again.
Nandito sila, boss. Pwede tayo dito, banda.
Ayoko.
Pa-join nga ako.
Sige.
Run over ka lang dyan eh.
Kabila ko shield boss bag.
Kabila.
Dalawa na lang pat to. Ayan, refill. Yan.
Ay, heart. Kasi ba si Buffy? Ayun. Dito pala, mali yung kiting mo guys.
Bridge. Regroup tayo lahat sa bridge. Regroup all on bridge. Regroup. We regroup at the bridge.
Who's dyslexic? Asteroth.
Kailangan natin magsama-sama muna lahat. Ilan pa lang kami dito.
Pwede yan mag-call Tadashi.
Ikot lang.
Kanina nga, naklap ko yun sa baba. Naistan sila lahat.
Di kita nakita.
Ay, ayun lang. Sayang.
Sayang, walang maide. Oh.
Hindi. Ano ko na lang, in-stun ko na lang sila sa baba. Diba, sumunod yun, marami. In-stun ko muna badot lang ni Boss Bag.
Yung dalawang healer natin dyan. Good luck, laban. Oy, yung dalawang healer namin. Ba't kayo nandyan? Leave nyo na yan. Si Nam tsaka Puna. Oh, ayan. Wipe out Puna. Nam na. Down tayo 2 healers, boss.
Ano ba ginagawa nila? Dalawa dyan. Ayun na, nag-phone.
Magpatulungan eh. Sino pa yung isa
Kama
dyan?
naman ang GM na to, namimigay ng silver. Trade mo na lang yung sa akin, Jepo.
Mamimigay ka ng piso.
Yung dalawang healers natin. Malayo pa yung dalawang healers natin. Nam and Bona. Cam.
I think, papunta
Eh, may
sila.
isang clamper din sila, oh.
Wala ka na open.
Diyan na. Dapat tayong healer.
Yan nga yung
Hindi na, mag-down na tayo.
Mat na ako.
Nasa tayo.
Basta break.
Defensive. Spread kayo dyan. Spread a little bit. Okay, look west ha. Look west, 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Then 2, 1, on bridge now. Drop on bridge. Nice. Okay, now, defensive. Kite south. Kite south. Wala tayong defensive. Kite south. Full kite south. Find you didn't heal on south. 9 seconds. 8 seconds. Continue south lang. Continue south.
Napasok na yung mga gabi.
Continue south. Okay, now look north ah. Look north. Christian W's. Nice, good job. 1 year. The best. Okay, now south. We do engage. We do engage. For 5 seconds 4 seconds. 3 seconds. North 2 seconds. Pop your boots on north 3, 2, 1. Big clamp. Drop all now.
Bye, CDP.
Okay, now, kahit back. South again. Dito sa kabilang 3. Yan, nice. Kissing the bliss lang. Defensive. You need to hold here. Hold tayo. Sa bridge. Faster. Wala na. Patay na ako na lumagay.
Walang healer. Sinang wala.
Rider, patay.
Look lang. Regroup again.
Recruit again.
Ayan.
Eh, namatay kayo lahat. Ay, gago.
OP pro siguro
Wala ka dito.
Oo, P4.
We go here. Doon sa kabilang bridge again.
Maganda dito, Pollen talaga during slump.
Barbie Joe pala to eh.
Ay, OP3 si Boss Fox na respawn. Yan, bridge niya naman. Ay, hindi. Medyo APK bridge, boss. Dalawang, blobs.
Dami na. Hanap tayo iba.
Hanap tayo other way. Northwest, guys. Northwest.
Sa kabilang bridge.
River Bridge. Nandun yung, Slimhurst Alay. Anong tawag
Okay, palo.
Dito sin.
East
Decide ba? Ayun, bumalik pala.
Here.
Ay, hindi rin na. Dito. Gago.
Eh,
Kami naman nila.
goods na. Sa kapila na.
Side. Tagos. South a little bit. Okay, bumabad sa entrance. Okay, south a little bit lang.
Uy,
Nice,
that's
okay.
dalawa agad. Hindi pala. Ganda
Okay.
pala yun.
Meron sa north side meron sa east side. Okay.
Hindi mo na dismount yan. Huwag yung dismount yan.
Kissing W's lang yan. Kissing W's. Pa-firewall ako pag
Ay,
Pa-firewall.
pala yan.
Focus lang ng bridge firewall lang. Okay. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Heal kayo, Judy. Heal Judy. Then 3 seconds. Wait. Okay. Look west. West now. Pop your boots on west now. 3, 2, 1, on me.
Big short. Persila.
Full spread. South. Kite lang south. Magpakit kayo lang south. Kite south.
Walang heal. Ang ilang yan.
Ako lang nandito. Okay.
Dami.
Dami nila.
Lalayo.
Lalayo nga nila. Ay, umangat pala. Utang ina. Yung kite nila paangat. Ang dami na nila. Bilis din kasi makapasok.
Annoying to. Ano to?
Bilis nila makapasok. Ang inang yun.
Armor of Valor. So annoying. Palaging silence. Ay, T-Trip Lab na pala sila, no?
Defensive din yung armor of barrel, di ba?
Nasa silence eh.
Ang ping.
Anting.
South Bridge.
Pang-order ka kaagad ah.
Middle bridge. Middle bridge. Come, middle.
Yun, nandun yung ano, kasama natin sa other side.
Tayo lalabanan yan, proper tayo. Ayun, nandiyan na sila.
Mandon. May deftong pa tayo sa harapan. Spread kayo, baka maklap kayo dyan.
Meron ding mga random sa east.
Kiss and doubles lang. Nice hold. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Deep pa.
Lock na sa akin eh.
3 seconds. Then 2. Pop your boots now. Straight mid. Straight. 2. 1. On me. Grapple now.
Na-hold sa likod. Na-hold.
Binumba din sa likod eh.
Binumba.
Tinirma.
Kailangan ng ano dun. Silence sa gitna. Ilan deft lang ta. Silence dun.
Na-silence din ako doon. Nag-ano na lang ako eh. Nag-call na lang.
Kasi mga kasama natin, wala na yung iba.
Nandun sa kabilang bridge, kakadating na nila. Kabilang bridge sila.
Sige. Lapit natin sila. Kailangan natin ng tulong nun. We regroup again. Punta tayo sa likod ng backline ng ano. Backline ng ano. Ng Limers.
Wala pang food.
Ayun o, Blood yan, kasama natin. Tumatakbo?
Backline tayo. Bomba natin backline yan.
Pwede.
Ay, laki na. Ilang laki na yan.
Regroup lang. Huwag kayo magmamandon. Regroup lang. Andun tayo pag naiwan sa ano. We regroup. Ayan pa. Parating pa yung tatlo. Bilisan nyo guys. Please. Okay. Now. Advance.
Parang wipe out na yata.
Advance.
Hello.
We do advance. Meet tayo ng bridge. Meet tayo sa kabilang bridge. Meet us on bridge. Okay, Mandon here at bridge. Mandon at bridge. Okay, stabilize. Mga naiwan pa sa likod. Okay, stabilize lang. Huwag kayo tumagos. Back. Huwag masyadong malalim. Defensive lang ang front. Just do defensive. Okay, here. DPS huwag masyadong malalim Huwag masyadong magpatip DPS. Okay, the here. Full spread. 5 seconds. Deep isa, 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1, on me. Drop all now.
Headbutt! Agay!
Ano bang gamit mo?
Agay. Naka-delete tayo. Diba?
Stabilize. Wala na.
May brawler na yan.
Run over pa rin. North bridge. North bridge. Pop your boots. Straight North bridge.
Kinain ko yung ano?
Lahat ng boil.
8.3 masterpiece na energy shaper sa kalaban. Kinain ko. Kalakwakin yun, hindi pala.
Gilang.
North Bridge. North Bridge.
Ready place mo ba? Ready place mo ka. Sino itong naka-ano, Kingmaker? Ay, 1 year pala to. Ano mo, 1 year. Ay, yung double list dyan. Ayan eh.
Where are you guys?
Gusto na isang Lisa.
Apil.
Talunan ko yan.
Dahil North. Wala pa yung mga kasama natin. Northeast.
May nag-grab sa ano.
Northeast. Here. North again.
15 seconds pa.
Down. Hanggat na gano'n pa. Hanggat may nagbubuhay pa. Kailangan mag-regroup. Regroup. Continuous start lang. Continuous start. Ping.
Yan. Sipain nyo yan.
May naghabol sa atin ha. May naghabol.
Tara, open tayo, boss bag kaya.
Sige. Asan na ba yung iba? Hintay namin kayo guys. North a little bit. North lang. Okay, they're on south ha. Keep kite, papuntang OP. Keep kite, papuntang OP oh. Kite lang. Hag the wall lang. Position sa downside ha. Downhill position, downhill west side. Okay, stabilize. You didn't heal on them. Downhill. Okay, chill.
Ayun na sila.
Chill. Counter now. Pop your boots. Counter now. 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop all now. Okay, back. Back ngayon. Pa-hold down. Wala na.
Sakit.
Hindi ka. Walang ano doon. Walang firewall. Walang ano. G-Knight armor. Like that. Dyan sa downhill na yan. Para di makatagos yung kalaban. Wala. Namamatay lang tayo ng namamatay. Kulang
Ang
tayo.
dami na ng kupal sa mundo.
Kulang ng death lang. Namatay na tayo nung namamatay.
Kupal yan. Ayun na lang ata may dumarating oh. Tingnan mo, may blob pa. Laki pa oh. Magkatumbas
Ano
na nga yung blob ng Limhurst tsaka yung bridge shots eh.
Ano yan, Jepo? Hiraya versus all Hiraya? Ano yan?
Yun mo, Iraya versus all bridge watch. Ano lang to eh, lagpas lang tong 30 tayo eh. Kakayanin natin yan.
Takbo, Diana! Tuloy po, takbo, mabuhay kayo.
Come. Uy, sa baba.
Dito. Let's help.
Ito lang press light pa, magkaklap ako May ika.
Sige. Meron.
Mondon kayo.
Tapos,
Mondon, 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, pop your boots. Straight east. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. North again, konti. Nice. Sa mga nakapalaw, good job. Pero sa hindi. Okay, defensive. Hold na ng hold. Pa-hold na. Kailangan nyo nang i-hold yan. Hold na. Hold. Continuous hold lang. Position ng south ha. South lang ha. Position lang on south. 6 seconds. You didn't heal. Stabilize. Continuous rolling lang. Continuous rolling sa front. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Pop your boots. Straight east. 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop all now. Isa pa. Wala na. How many DPS we have?
Mga
Stabilize
apat.
again. Stabilize. South. Pagpasot kayo konti. South konti. Kailangan nyo magkita-kita sa south.
Umalis na. Umalis na pala si Nam.
Sot. Diretso na ng OP. Diretso na kayo OP. Mga boy pa. Diretso na ng OP.
30 seconds!
Ang dami nila.
OP por. This time.
Mangbunga
Ano tayo
na
na ba?
tayo first life. Saan nga first life?
Hindi na, pre.
I'm down.
Kulang na. Okay, sana kung lagpas tayo ng 20. Pwede ka, gusto mo, pre. Okay. Tadashi Yokol. Hindi ako
Oh,
matukol.
gagi, wag na.
Sige, Tadashi. Ay, Tadashi.
Antayin natin. Nandito yung backline sa OP4. Nandito yung backline ng kalaban. Ng kasama natin. Kaya recruit tayo ng OP4.
Mag-OP yata sila. Papunta sila 4. OP4.
Yan na sila.
I
OP4.
feel deep namin. Ayan na. Dito na.
Southwest na, southwest.
Ayan na. Love nyo.
Saan ka, Tadashi?
Ito po, naka-heart lang.
Hindi kita makita.
Sabay tayo kay Boss Bob.
Labas na.
Sabay na tayo kay Boss Bob.
Southeast guys, southeast.
Pasot na kayo. South. Ikot tayo. East going northwest, ha. East going northwest. Tayo natin yung mga kasama natin. Stabilize here. Stabilize lang dito. Stabilize lang. Hintayin natin. Okay. South. South kayo. Ito yung mga healer natin. Nandiyan na. Okay. Now, this time, back uli. Continue south. Huwag kayong magmamandan. South lang again. We find na choke. Continuous lang. South.
Ito boss, bagchok na to.
Dito tayo. Mga down here. Okay. Dito tayo. South, okay. To defensive. Chill. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 2 1. North now. North. Nice. Okay. Now, south. Kahit the wall. Hug the wall.
Ay, sipir.
Continue south lang. South. Ikot kayo.
Ah,
Wala na, di na kaya yan. Ang dami na.
Dami.
Di na kaya, puro pa Druid robe. Utang inang yung druid robe na yan. Parang Goku. Naka-super saiyan kalaban natin.
Puro pana eh.
Wala.
Yung meron yung silence. Hindi naman siya Hindi naman yun. Hillion Hood. Ano pa yung isang silence pa?
bro,